In this video, I would like to show you how to paint a door with a chalk paint using a blending technique. I am applying a raised stencil with a plaster of Paris. As I said in my other video, a plaster of Paris dries very quickly, and I use it only for a small stencil. I am using three colors for my first coat. A darker color on the edge is a Louis blue mixed with a French linen, following with a Louis blue color and a white in the middle of the door. I am using a different brush for each color and a separate clean brush for blending. And I spray the surface often to get the paint moving. All the chalk paint I am using for this project is by Annie Sloan. After all the colors applied, I blend them with a clean brush. For the second coat, I decided to use one more lighter color, as I want the door to be a bit lighter. I have mixed a Louis blue with a white paint and created a lighter color. Here you can see how I used the colors. I am using the darkest one only on the edge of the door, as I don't want it to overwhelm the other colors. And I am applying the colors from the darker on the edge to the lightest in the middle. Next, I am using a Chicago gray to create some more shades, and I am blending it with my blending brush. And with the lightest Louis blue, I highlighted the edges and the high points of the door. I have also dry brushed the stencil with the darker Louis blue to make it stand out. I let the paint dry, and I have covered the whole door with 2 coats of clear varnish to seal the paint. If you have watched my other videos, you could see how I painted this TV cabinet and the mirror to create a bathroom vanity. I have the links in the description below if you haven't seen the videos. And I painted this little cabinet in blue to match the tiles of the bathroom. I also have a video showing how I did it. When we bought the house, the bathroom looked like this. And here it is now. I value your opinion, and I would like to see your comments below. Thank you for watching.